You can spend hours writing a page, hit publish, do everything you were told to do for SEO, and still not rank. Not necessarily because your content is bad or your site is doomed, but because Google thinks you made the wrong kind of page. That's the part most people miss when we talk about SEO. When you hear SEO, you probably think it's choosing keywords, placing them strategically, and you're good to go. SEO is more about matching the right content to the reason behind the search. And once you see that, a lot of random ranking failures start making sense. That idea has a name: search intent. And it's simpler than it sounds. Search intent is just the reason behind a search. When someone types something into Google, what are they actually trying to do? Learn something? Compare options? Buy something? Or find a specific website? Google's job is to figure that out and rank the kind of page that best matches it. So if your page doesn't match that intent, even decent keywords won't save it. There are 4 main types of search intent. First, informational. That's when someone wants to learn, like, what is technical SEO? Second, commercial. That's when they're comparing options, like best SEO tools for beginners. Third, transactional. That's when they're ready to act, like buy an SEO course online. And fourth, navigational. That's when they already know where they want to go, like searching for a specific brand or website. Once you understand these 4 buckets, SEO starts feeling a lot less random. Now, here's where people usually mess up search intent. They see a keyword, they like the volume, and they start writing. But they never stop to ask what kind of page Google is trying to rank for that search. Let's say the keyword is best SEO tools for beginners. If you've written content, you know that it is not a homepage or a landing page keyword. It's a comparison keyword. So Google is more likely to rank listicles, reviews, and comparison style content. If you ignore this distinction, you end up writing content that was never built to win in the first place. Let's give you the easiest way to check search intent. Stop guessing and look at the search results. Just Google the keyword. Then scan the top results. What kind of pages are showing up? Blog posts? Product pages? Landing pages? Category pages? Or videos? Now look at the angle. Are they teaching, comparing, reviewing, or selling? Google is showing you what it believes searchers want. Your job is to match it. So, before writing SEO content the next time, ask one question first. What does the searcher actually want here? Because once you get that right, SEO starts feeling a lot more logical. If you found this helpful, Ready, Fire, Aim has beginner-friendly courses to help you get your SEO basics right. So understanding search intent gets a whole lot easier.